Hello, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I am very excited to review Tribe Lifting resistant bands. So the resistant bands is a sample provided by Tribe Lifting. Thank you, Tribe Lifting, for providing me with the resistant bands. They have different sizes, so let me start with the sizes first. Extra light, we have the orange in light, we have the blue in medium, I'm sorry, the green one in medium, the blue one in heavy, and the black one in extra heavy. So what I love about these bands is that they are non-slip, they won't move up or down, and they also have the ability to work out all your body, legs, calves, back. Um, you can choose between the different sizes. They are made of fabric, which is very resistant, and you can put them inside the bag and put them in a gym bag, take them to your office, take them to your gym, take them to your house and work out, and allows you to work out different parts of your body. So they are very useful. They are they have a great quality. I will say the thing that I like the most is the quality. You put them in between your legs to work your inner thighs, and they won't snap. They will do the resistance that they are supposed to do, and also they won't move up or down. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. I'm looking forward to taking them to the gym and working out at home, and thank you for watching.